Hey guys, it's Viola Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, I am going to be talking about how I make my money off of social media. So if you're interested in this video, just keep on watching. Guys, before I start this video off, I just want to say happy Friday, guys. Friday is like the most happiest day for a lot of people, but for me, every day is a happy day because I'm living my life to the fullest, guys. So guys, if you're watching this video and you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and it will support me. So if you guys follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you would know that I came out with my own ebook. And this ebook is for all beauty influencers, whether you're big or small. This video right now that I'm gonna get into with you guys, this is not a rehearsed video or anything. I didn't write anything down, I don't have any notes. I just been wanting to do this video, but I always forget to film this video. So yeah guys, this video is going to be how you can make a really good income from basically your Instagram, because that's where I get most of my money from, is Instagram. So I'm just going to do this video off the back, like I don't even know where to start. So if the video is all over the place, please excuse the video, but I will get to every point. Okay, so basically in my ebook, I explained to you guys how I started making money from Instagram, and basically I started from my makeup videos. Like as soon as I started making good quality makeup videos, a lot of companies started to contact me to do videos for them. So that's probably the one question that I'm always asked, like how do I get in touch with companies that are willing to pay for gigs? If it's not through like a website, which I'm going to talk about later, if it's not through a website, then companies contact me directly via a Instagram, Facebook, email, like wherever I'm able to be contacted at, because basically I always put my email in all of my social media networks. So you definitely want to make sure you do that. Even if it's on Facebook and Facebook is just for family or whatever, or for friends, you still want to have your email on your Facebook account. So yeah, these companies email me and they ask me my rates. So when a company asks you your rates, that's like automatic payment, because it's basically telling you that they're willing to pay. So, but before you give them your rates, you want to make sure you have a rate card. In my ebook, I explain how to make a rate card, and I also give you guys an example. So you're gonna need that, and that's basically to send to brands, so that they know like your rate is that steady rate and they're not like switching it around, or you're not BSing. They know that you have this rate card, so they know that basically you are legit. It's your business. That's like the number one question I'm always asked, is like where I get where I book my gigs from. So the next thing I'm going to move on to is like different platforms that you're able to go on and basically find paid gigs. It's basically different platforms that have different companies. Like it could be from like NYX or Bobbi Brown or Bloomingdale's or so many other companies. And on my ebook, I actually list all of these platforms for you guys, where you guys can go on these websites and sign up. Some of them do have a few requirements, so you're gonna have to read the ebook to check out the requirements for each website. So yeah, on these websites, when you try to book a gig, it always tells you like the rate the company is willing to pay. So you always want to stay inside that rate, but don't try to lowball yourself. And that's another thing that I mentioned in my ebook, is how to price yourself. Basically, there are websites that you can go on to find out how much you're supposed to be charging for your videos, so you're not overcharging and you're definitely not undercharging, because I see this so much. Like there are a lot of beauty influencers who do videos for free when a company will pay. Like I've seen a company go to somebody else and this person accepts to do it for free, so then they try to come to me to get it for free, and I'm not doing it for free because I already know that I can get paid from this. So yeah, I do not do free advertisement unless it's from like an indie brand or like a person I know that's starting their own business, and yes, I will help to advertise for them. So yeah, everything is basically covered in this ebook. It's like your startup kit for starting to earn money on Instagram. I do earn a steady income from Instagram, but I wouldn't say steady because the price varies. Like, it is a steady income because it's always coming in, but the price always varies. So some weeks I can book gigs and make about $2,500. Some weeks I can book gigs and just make $500. Some week I can book gigs and make $3,500. It all depends on the companies and like maybe if I'm having a good week or not. So yeah. And I just want to say, like, before you purchase my ebook, just know that my book is not like a get rich quick scheme, because this all takes time. You basically have to build up your profile, your followers. I mean, I'm not saying that you need like 30K or anything. A lot of people start charging at 10K. So you have to build up your profile. You have to build up your engagement, guys, because this is what companies want. That's why they come to influencers, because they want us to market their product to our followers. So yeah, guys, I'm kind of out of breath and I don't want this video to be too long. I just basically want it to be like a really quick bio about my ebook. So if you guys want to purchase my ebook, you can go ahead and purchase it. I always have it in stock. Sometimes I put like I'll put 20 available and then it sells out, and then I'll take a few days to restock it again, but I always restock it. And if you're interested in purchasing my ebook, of course it's going to be in the description, guys. Of course it's going to be in the description, because I just want to get this book out to as many people as I can, because I know how hard it is. Like, I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I've been a stay-at-home mom for a while, and like the type of person I am, I don't like to rely on my husband for money. I want to make my own income. I want to be able to help out with bills. Basically, I don't want my husband to be like the only dependent. So yeah, guys, having this book, making money from Instagram, is a freaking blessing. Like, it helps me be able to stay home with Penelope and do what I love. That's the only thing. Like, that's one thing I cannot stress, you know, because I absolutely love making videos, guys, especially lip swatch videos. I absolutely love it, and I feel like it's a blessing to be able to do what you love and get paid for it. It feels kind of like I'm not working, I'm just having fun. So yeah, guys, I don't want this video to be long, so that's gonna be it. Again, all of the information for my ebook will be down below. Once you purchase the book from Etsy, it's automatically downloadable. So once you buy it, you get it. It's ebook. It's a file that you download and you're able to read the book. And of course, when you purchase this book, it comes with you being able to message me personally. So if you have any further questions, I'll be happy to answer those questions for you guys if you purchase my ebook. Because so many people message me on a daily basis. It's very overwhelming and I cannot reply to everyone, but for you guys who purchase my ebook, you do have like VIP treatment, because I'm not going to basically give advice away and stuff that I had to learn and put hard work into. I'm not going to give that away for free. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in this book, if it sounds like something that would be good for you, then go ahead and purchase it. If you have any questions, you're able to direct message me and I will answer anytime. So yeah, guys, I really think you would enjoy this book. The people who have purchased it already, which was a great amount of people, I've not gotten one bad review, and I would love to keep it that way. So if you do read my book, feel free to leave me a review telling everyone how wonderful the book was. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I wanted to be short and sweet and straight to the point, but to help you guys out so we all could be making money, doing what we love, because you know, makeup is life. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Have a blessed weekend, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.